Hey guys, what's up? It's Kina and we're back at it with another video. Today's, as you can tell from the title below, is a haul, and actually this is going to be like a two-parter type haul because some other things are at my place back at school. So yeah, like, I'm very disorganized when it comes to these things. The first thing that I have is this Guess shirt, and if you watched my last video, I actually wore this in there. Yeah, sorry, like some of the items I already started wearing because I'm very impatient when it comes to that. Classic Aries. But it's just this Guess shirt. I love this one because I think it's so cool how you have the lace. That's like the red part right there, and it's just basically like a t-shirt dress, which I think it's so easy to just pair with anything. What I usually wear with it is white Converse, very casual. I got a couple items from H&M, and some of these are from here, like that I got in Canada, and then some other ones I got while I was traveling. So I'll show you the two that I got, or the one that I got while traveling. It is actually this hat, which is perfect for fall because that's coming up, and I've always wanted like a floppy hat like this, and it was on sale too, so like even better. This is kind of like how it looks. I think it's so cute, like for the fall time. I don't know, we're gonna kind of have to adjust this, but this is basically just how it looks. Love it. And it's just a black color, so it's easy to pair with like literally anything. Next, I got this dress. It's like v-necked in the front, and then there's like the little wraparound ties. That's such a cute like date night type outfit, and I feel kind of like a salsa dancer. I don't know, is that the right person? Like, you know when your dress is kind of like fit and flare, and then like when you spin or turn, it kind of like I just like lost track of what I'm trying to say. But basically, I feel like a salsa dancer when you wear it. And then I love roaming around stores and seeing like what they have in the guys section sometimes, because they have some like cute graphic type tees and stuff. So I got two of those. The first one looks like this, and it just says Easy Days on it right there. I'm planning to crop it and making it a workout type shirt. Let me know down below if you want a video on that. I love doing DIY, so I really want to see like what I can do with this. I don't know. Stay tuned. And the second tee that I got, it looks like this, and it just says Endless Vacation on it. This is actually the back. Oops. This is the front, so it just has Endless Vacation right there in the corner. I kind of got this in a size too small. I didn't really try it on when I bought it, which was kind of dumb because you should probably try things on. But I'm just gonna try and maybe make this into like a pillowcase or something. I think like this print on the pillowcase would be really cute. I don't know, it's a very like summertime type decor, I guess. I'm just gonna do something with it. We'll see how that goes as well. Yeah, a lot of like DIY ideas in my head right now. Next, I got two accessories, and they're actually from Coach. I bought two, just one for me, and then I bought a matching one for my mom, so it's kind of like a cute like mother-daughter thing. I think these bracelets are so pretty, and they kind of remind me of the Cartier ones, the Love bracelet, but not as expensive, let me tell you that. So this is how they look. I got a gold one for myself. I've been really into gold jewelry, as you can see lately. So that's how the gold bracelet looks. Love it. So it just has like the two Coach C's, like just back to back kind of thing, and then there's like rhinestones on them, and then the same thing with like the silver one just right there. So yeah, got one in gold for me, and then my mom, I got her the silver one. So next up, I am so excited about this because I've been wanting a nice purse, like investment purse, and I finally got it. So I went to Michael Kors. Very excited about that, so I'll just show you what I got. It's just kind of a black tote, classic like logo at the front, and the inside, yeah, like literally all this is still in there because it's like brand new. So this is how it looks on the inside. It's very spacious. There's two pockets in the front right here, and then there's just a zipper right here, and it's basically just like a tote type bag, and I think it's great for like any season. It's a black bag with like gold detailing. I've been really into gold lately, so I think it'll just be perfect to accessorize with like anything. So very excited about this. And while I was at Michael Kors, I decided to pick up a wallet for my mom because she's been really wanting one, so I got this one for her. I'll show you how it looks like as well. It's just this great gray Michael Kors one. There's like the little like wrist band there, and then when you open it, this is how it looks. So you have like a whole bunch of card holders right here, which are very key for my mom because like or anyone, honestly, even me, when you have like a lot of cards. And here you have more places to hold your cards, and then here you just open up, you have a pocket for change, and then these 2 pockets or 3 for bills. So you can fit a lot in here. Honestly, I think it's great. Just a key wallet. Love it. Speaking of accessories, I've been really into belts lately too. I don't know, I've been trying to like switch up my style and more accessorizing. I love accessorizing now. I didn't really used to do it, but now it's a big thing. So I got this belt from Urban Planet, and it just looks like this. So it has like the gold buckle. I have another belt from here too, which I wear all the time, literally never don't wear it, and it's like basically kind of the same thing, but the buckle's a little different. I can show you that when I'm back. And I also have this in a silver one as well that I bought with this purchase, but that one's at school because I've been wearing that at school. Once again, I kind of have like 2 closets, so I have to like pick and choose what clothes I bring. So the next place that I went to is True Religion, and honestly, I don't really shop here myself. I only go in with my dad because he likes the jeans from there. And while I was leaving, I saw this little number. It's just a jean jacket. What sold me on it was the red detailing right here on the front and the back, like throughout the jean jacket. And the material is so nice. It's like a jegging material almost. This is how it looks on just like a fitted jean jacket. I think it's so cute. I'm just gonna keep this on for now because I'm too lazy to take it off. Last thing that I have with me here is a bag that I got while on vacation. I don't know where you can get it, honestly, but I wanted to show you guys because I thought it was so cute. So it looks like this, and basically it's just a red type like circle purse. The brand that says on it is NTNL, so if you wanted to find that, like I don't know, you can try. So if you unzip it, there's a bunch of room. It just looks like this, and there's like some pockets here. It also comes with a side strap if you don't want to hold it like a little lunch bag basically. And yeah, I don't know, I think it's such a cute like statement purse. It's adorable. I loved it when I saw it. That's why I got it. So that was my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Hoping to film another part when I get back to school, so that'll probably be in September. And hopefully I'll put up some like DIYs. I don't know. I've been like really into DIYing and getting so many ideas for it lately. So stay tuned for that. I don't know. Comment down below some like video ideas that you want to see. I missed being on YouTube and like making videos, editing videos. So I'm trying to get back into it. Yeah, let me know what you guys want to see, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.